Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of water, how shall we use it, how was it found and the percentages of seawater compared to fresh water. Is water important? Yes, water is important for life purposes. If a human does not drink water for 2 days, he may get many diseases and fall sick. Water is necessary for the growth of plants, and humans take breath because of plants. So, it is also necessary for the life of plants. Animals can also fall sick if they don't drink water. Thus, water is a form of. How shall we use water? Water is used in daily purposes like drinking, watering, bathing, etc. But the main thing is that we waste water. We must use water in a minimal amount, and if not so required, we must not use it. And even we should not pollute water. Polluting water can lead to water pollution. Percentage of water compared to seawater. Salt water 97%, fresh water only 3%. As you can see that we have only 3% of fresh water. But let me tell you that that in this 3% of fresh water, 2% is iced on the polar regions. So now you can understand how important is water. Now it's not finished yet. From this 1 percentage of fresh water, human habitation is 0.05 percentage, intact 7 percentage, under conversion 10 percentage, and agriculture uses 12 percentage. How was water found? Much of Earth's water is thought to have come from asteroids impacting the planet early in its history. That time people did not learn anything, but nowadays, by combining hydrogen and oxygen atoms, we can make water. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.